Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, March 20th of 2019. Couple announcements for today. So if you're participating in Perry School Week, today is Wacky Sock Wednesday. So hopefully you wore your wacky socks today. And tomorrow is to wear your favorite sports team, but can't wear hats. But you can wear jerseys, shirts, coats, things that show your favorite sports team. I know Mrs. Fuller and I are going to be sporting our White Sox gear tomorrow because it's about the one time of the year that we can wear it. So hopefully that will have other White Sox fans within the building. March birthdays, we have a lot of them today. So Nevaeh Bolden, Jimena Madrano, Kira Pazinski, Arissa Whitman-Doza. Happy birthday to all of you. So like I said, we had quite an amount of birthdays for March 20th today. And I apologize with the lunch choices yesterday. I actually looked at the wrong day, so sorry about that. I looked at last week and not this week. So this week is, for today, Wednesday, is the last Lucky Tray day. So today is grilled cheese with tomato soup, chicken patty sandwich, or Italian sub. And today for our pause, we have our 4th grade, and they're going to be doing the Perry School song today.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause, and we have a little bit of a special treat today. So we have some 4th grade girls here who are going to do our Perry School song, but we wanted to celebrate Twins Day today. As you can see, we got 2 people who are in school spirit with Twin Day. So, all right, girls, here we go on a count of 3 for the Perry School song. 1, 2, 3.
Positive attitude, academic achievement, working hard, showing respect. It's really cool to be at Perry School. Woo! Feel it in my heart, I feel it in my feet, feel it in my hands, feel it all over me. I'm going to read, I'm going to write, I'm going to read, I'm going to write at Perry School. When the doors are open wide, I walk in with Perry pride. I'm going to read, I'm going to write at Perry School. Positive attitude, academic achievement, working hard, and showing respect. It's really cool to be at Perry School. Woo!
Good job, girls. Thank you very much for that rendition of our Perry School song. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you, and please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, girls. I appreciate that. Everyone have a great Wednesday. Make some great choices today. Remember, Wacky Sock Wednesdays, but let's not be wacky in other areas, just with our socks. Remember, make great choices today.